We recommend you read the use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only. Follow these simple instructions to use your Whirlpool washer. First, add the detergent at the bottom of the basket. We recommend you use liquid detergent for automatic washing machines and that you use the amount of detergent the packaging suggests. Pour the fabric softener in the dispenser of the agitator. Dilute the softener with warm water. Load your garments in loose heaps evenly around the agitator. Select the size of your load. Select the water temperature. After the cycle is completed, you can add an extra rinse if you notice that your garments have softener residues. Select the wash cycle. The cycles in the left of the knob are automatic cycles. If you want to choose just one stage of the cycle, select the options on the right. Press start. Each cycle is designed for a specific type of garment. The washer could make a gentle agitation in some of them to take better care of your clothes. Remember that the washer could extend the duration of the washing stage to remove the extra suds before rinsing. If you forgot to load one garment or you forgot to add detergent, you can open the lid of the washer by pressing stop. Then add the garment you want. Close the lid and press the start button again so the washer can resume the cycle. In the control panel, you can see the progress of the cycle until the cycle is completed.